Hi, my name is Caitlin. I'm the inventor of Cozy Curlers, and today I'm going to show you exactly how I use my Cozy Curlers to get the curls I want. Before we get started, I want to take a second to talk to you about hair product. Most people need to use some hair product. I always suggest a good leave-in conditioner to keep your hair hydrated and shiny, and using a little bit of curl cream, smoothing milk, or another curl defining product can help prevent frizz and keep your curls lasting longer. First thing you want to decide is how many curlers you're going to use. For looser curls, I suggest using 2 to 4. For tighter curls, you can do anywhere from 4 to 8, depending on how tightly you wrap them. Today, I'm going to use 6. Next thing I'm going to do is part my hair into 6 even sections using these handy little clips. To get heatless curls, you're going to need to get your hair slightly damp. I'm going to use this spray bottle on dry hair. Take it and just spray it so I get an even amount of moisture on my hair. I'm going to go ahead and brush it so the hair is nice and smooth. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take this curler. I'm going to start at the top of my roots and wrap down all the way around the foam nice and loose, since I'm not going for a tight curl tomorrow. If you want a tighter curl, you're going to want to indent the foam. They're squishy little things, so you just want to squish them as tight as you'd like to get those tighter curls. After you have your hair rolled onto the curler, you're going to grab hold of the net and open it up. Take the net, grab hold of your ends, and then pull it all the way up over the curler. So right now this is on there and secure, but to make it extra secure, we're going to do something called the double wrap, so pay attention. We just brought it up, and we're going to take this side, pull it over the top of the curler to make that double wrap. Boom, that's it. Now let's see that in slow motion and the close-up. This is a basic way to wrap your hair in Cozy Curlers. For other curl patterns, you can try using different amounts of curlers, different amounts of hair, wrapping it tighter or looser to get a huge variety of styles. Now that you know how to wrap your Cozy Curlers, we're going to finish up the rest of my hair. Alrighty, they are all in my hair now, and so I'm just going to go to sleep and I'll show you the results in the morning. Good morning. Alright, so I slept in my curlers, and now I'm going to show you how I take them out to prevent frizz on this side, and then how to take it out fast and then fix any frizzy pieces on this side. So we'll start out here. You just undo the curler, take the net down, and I'm going to start at the top, and then I'm just going to go and roll the curler out. That way it comes out nice and smooth. Same thing on this next one. Just going to start here and just take it out nice and slow. You might need to grab hold of the hair, kind of wind it around like that. One more. So that's how you can take it out. Now to prevent frizz, instead of running my hands through my hair on this side, I'm going to take my hands, I'm just going to piece by piece take it apart. I'm really impatient, so this part's hard for me. But that's how you can go through and prevent frizz, just by taking the pieces and parting. Right, now this side I'm going to do it fast. I'm just going to take it down, just kind of pull it out. Same thing here. Alright, and this is how I usually separate my curls. I just run my fingers through it. This side, I ran my fingers through, so it separated the curls faster, went to a looser curl. To fix any frizzy pieces, I'm going to use a little bit of leave-in product. I'm going to take the leave-in in my hands, rub it around my fingers, and I'm just going to go through one more time with my hands through the curl, just to smooth it out. So you can see how taking them out can really affect how the curl turns out. This side is a lot longer and looser from running my hands through it, adding the leave-in product. This side is still really curly because I made sure not to run my hands through it. I separated it. So for longer lasting curls, this takeout method is really good. And then I'd even suggest adding a little bit of hairspray into your hair for longer lasting curls. This side, I'm still probably gonna add some hairspray. Because I want a looser look today, I'm gonna go through and run all of my hands through my hair. Add a little bit more leave-in product. All right, and then I'm all done. Now if you have a piece that turns out a little bit weird, you can just take that piece and recurl it. So let's try and make this look a little funny. See how it went a little strange? What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take it around my finger and it redirects the curl. A lot of times when you have weird curls that come out, it's because of the way you took them out and ran your fingers through, not because of the way it was curled. So redirecting that curl with your finger will help you get the curls that you want. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, please let us know.